What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to repair a chip on a 3000 GT door panel, or any similar chip on a body panel for that matter. Start by cleaning the part. Remove any dirt and grime. It's better to use soap and water to cut off any grease that may prevent the patch from bonding on. Next up, sand the area to be repaired with a coarse grit. I'm using 40 grit here. Now I'm gonna tape on this flat piece of wood to basically create the mold that we need in order to reconstruct this chipped off piece. Clean the entire area with rubbing alcohol. Notice how I'm setting the piece of wood a little bit over the edge. This is to make sure we recreate the entire area needed. You don't want your patch falling short from the edge. Next, we need to cut a piece of fiberglass cloth. I'm going about 1 inch over the edge of the chip. That should be enough for this small piece to hold. I'm cutting 3 pieces to create a strong patch. Mix your fiberglass resin. For every ounce of resin, use 10 drops of hardener. Then mix. I usually use a paintbrush to apply the resin, but this time I didn't have any paintbrushes, so I had to improvise. Apply your fiberglass cloth. Make sure it covers the entire chip. Apply resin on top of the fiberglass cloth. Then lay down another layer of cloth. Repeat until you reach the desired amount of layers. I'm using 3 for this small piece. I probably could have done 2 layers and it still would have been strong enough. But I'm doing 3 layers just to be safe. Then leave it to dry for at least 3 hours. Personally, I like to leave it drying for 24 hours, just to make sure it's completely dry. We can now remove the piece of wood we used as a mold. The fiberglass resin bonded so well to the piece of wood, a layer of wood was left behind, but that's fine. It will be sanded off. Let me show you just how strong this patch is. It's not going anywhere. Just a tip guys, pick up all of the fiberglass strands you can now before they disperse everywhere in your home. Trust me. Next, we're gonna cut off the excess fiberglass with a Dremel tool. It's better when your fiberglass patch goes beyond the door panel's edge because this way you ensure a solid fiberglass repair. Sometimes if the piece of wood ends exactly where the door panel ends, you get gaps in the fiberglass patch and you don't want that. Block sand the entire patch area with 120 grit. Apply body filler on top of the fiberglass patch. Block sand your body filler. I'm using a 120 grit to cut through it faster. Now sand the entire panel with 320 grit to prep it for primer. You can now spray the primer. In case of any imperfections on the primer, block sand it with a 400 grit, then clean the panel with rubbing alcohol. Spray your base coat. Block sand and clean the base coat if needed. If it's a 3-stage, you can now spray your pearl coat. Spray your clear coat. You can now install the panel and you're done. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate your support. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. What are your thoughts on this repair? Any questions? Let me know.